Hi, I'm Greg and this is the HiLo Metal Lathe project. I'm surrounded by steel bits again. I had to show you this before we get too serious about the welding. This is how the ways are built up. We've got a beautiful laser cut base, the I-beam bottom flange, and it's just beautiful and it's just so straight. It's just great. So that's the bottom flange. We have here the web, because it's an I-beam. Hang on, I'll go the other way because that's the way it goes. That's the I-beam. They're going to be welded in the T section there. I can hardly lift it already. And this is the way. The ways, look at that. These two holes here line up for the headstock. They'll be welded. Connector nuts will be welded down here such that these rods can. It's just a beautiful thing. That gets welded onto there, and that is one way. And we're going to have the other way built on top of that during the welding process. So I'm not expecting that much banana-y distortion, and I'm not expecting much sideways distortion because of the stitch welding, one side, the other side, that one opposite, this one opposite, and I've worked out a whole stitch welding pattern for that. So there'll be two ways. That's one of them. Once done, they'll be held apart by threaded rods, which can be adjusted beautifully to get these edges, inside edges, parallel. And then the whole lot cast. We'll make a box out of plywood or MDF, a mold box, and the whole thing will be cast in epoxy resin. This section here actually denotes the epoxy resin base with a steel cheek bolted to it for attaching all the feed screws and all this stuff, ancillary stuff. So how about that for a beautiful way? All we got to do is get our angle grinder sled and cut the 60° off that way and use that in the other sections. So how about that for a job? Thanks for watching. Appreciate any comments, and next time.